beep boop doop a deep up boop beep beep. Hey everybody, how's it going? Serious video. Ignore the boopity boppity beepity beep. So I have a serious question, and I know I can Google this shit, but where's the fun in that? Also, doing it this way, I get a free video out of it, so it's win-win. So, anyways, what do what do Muslims do in space? Like prayer wise, like on a lot of levels. Like for starters, in like low gravity 0G, like do Muslims still have to prostrate themselves on the ground, or is it cool if they can float around? Do they need special harnesses? Like, could they have the prayer mats on the walls? Like, these are questions I want answers to. Like, another one too is like, if a Muslim's on another planet or like the moon or something else, like, do when they pray to Mecca, do they just pray to the general direction Earth is in, or do you establish a new Mecca on the planet? Like Riddick, that's what. Like, if I'm being honest, that's what brought the. Like, I was watching Riddick again. Like, I was watching, well, Chronicles of Riddick that had New Mecca, and like that got me going. Like, New Mecca, like, so how? What's like? I know there's rules establishing Mecca. Like, that's why we don't have like 8 Meccas, everywhere. That's why, like, you don't have like Trump branded Mecca, because like not any asshole can just declare a fucking space rock like holy. There's steps you have to go through. Like, would is there anybody like in the Muslim hierarchy who can declare like new Mecca on the moon, like lunar Mecca? Is that a thing that can happen, or are they just stuck like, well, you got to pray towards the Earth? Because, like, also too, do they go by like the time on Earth to pray, or do they go off of the time of the moon? Like, if the colony's on the moon. Also too, like Islamic years are done by lunar cycles. So if like Muslims like are on the moon, like, how does that work? Also too, like, if they're on Mars or another planet that has a moon, like, do they just go off of Mars's moon? If so, like, Mars has 2 moons. Do they use both? Is there like a double like calendar system, like a tier system? Like, what do you do if there's no moon, like on Venus? I have a lot of questions. I'm really I'm really high. It's late at night. Like, all these questions are racing through my mind. Help a motherfucker out. Maybe give some sense to this shit. See you later. Doo. Whatever the fuck I came up with for my final fucking catchphrase. I don't fucking remember. Like, I'm too high for this shit. Bye bye.